I'm making a video. Before I show you what the thing that is really crazy that I did, you have to like and subscribe right now. 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done. Okay, let's get to it. So when I was eating cereal, when I was done with it, I put it in my sink. So I was thinking to fill up my sink. Once I filled up my sink, I put a Pokemon in there. A Pokemon. That kind of feels a little bit dumb, but I just wanted to see what was in a Pokemon card. And I'll show you guys. This is inside of a Pokemon card. I'll try to take it off. Oh! So I hope you have a great day. And once again, let's see if you can like, but this one's different. Let's see if you can like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, you're gonna see awesome videos next time. So you better stay tuned. Bye, Turbo Team.